Tags allow you to customize LabStats to fit your environment and highlight what matters most to you. Bulk tagging in LabStats is really easy. For this method, you'll need a spreadsheet, which you can create yourself or pull from LabStats. If you want to pull your list of stations from LabStats, navigate to your Station Manager and click the Download button in the top right corner of the screen. This will download a list of all of your stations in Excel format. Open your exported file, then copy and paste the list of station names into either a brand new Excel sheet or a new sheet within the existing file. Make sure the left-hand column is just the station names, delete anything else. Now you have a list of all the station names in the left-hand column, and everything you put in the columns to the right will be different tags applied to these stations. For example, let's say we wanted to tag several stations and indicate that they have smart board hardware attached to them. We could also tag several others at the same time to indicate that they had webcams. You can place as many tags as you like in this manner. After you've placed your tags, save your file. If you use the existing spreadsheet, delete the Station Manager portion before saving. Now, back in LabStats, navigate to the Tags section in the Stations drop-down list. Click Import Tags in the upper right-hand corner. You'll need to choose whatever you put in the left-hand column as your station match value. In our case, this is station name. Choose the Excel file you just saved and click Upload. You'll see the tags you've just created appear in LabStats immediately. The data related to those tags will be available in reports the next day after the nightly data refresh. You can use this method to quickly and easily set up new tags for any other feature you'd like to designate for data analysis. For more on tags, visit our support page and blog. For more personalized help, reach out to our customer success team. They'd be more than happy to help you out.